All right, everybody, good morning. It is January 24th, 2022. Here we are, another day. As you can see, the 79 Lincoln Continental already tore down to the intake manifold, already got the intake manifold off. That thing is super heavy. Anyways, but I'm going to go ahead and stop on this right now just because I'm not sure. Last week I put out a little short where I showed you guys as I was getting ready to get this vehicle started, the repair on this vehicle started. I had another customer show up with his 05, 06 F350 6.0 Powerstroke. He does RV transporting or whatnot. I showed you guys that he has a coolant leak and it's coming from the EGR cooler hose, that little blue hose that goes on the EGR cooler that goes into the oil cooler housing. Well, that thing is leaking, so he finally brought it to me last night, and he wants it worked on today. So here I am. Like I said, I'm gonna stop on the Lincoln, and what it is here's his truck. It's the 06 F350 single wheel Powerstroke. Yep, F350 single wheel. This is what he does. He's a transporter. So I'm gonna go ahead and start popping off the turbo, so that way we can get down there to that little tiny that little hose right down there. That bad boy right there. That one has to be replaced. So I'm gonna go ahead and start popping off the turbo. Show you guys how to pop off the turbo, and then go from there. All right. See you guys in a bit.